Welcome back to Bodyfinity, mates. Today we're talking about hidden food landmines that could be blowing your muscle gains to smithereens. You're putting in the hard yards at the gym, sweating it out, but not seeing the results you deserve. We're going to expose some common foods that even seasoned fitness enthusiasts can overlook, thinking they're making healthy choices. Get ready for some home truths as we break down how these seemingly innocent snacks and meals can actually put the brakes on your progress. You might be shocked to learn that some of your go-to foods could be working against you, holding you back from your full potential. All right, let's talk about processed foods. I get it, they're convenient, often tasty, and seem like a quick fix in our busy lives, but trust me, when it comes to building muscle and maximizing your gains, these guys are your worst enemy. One of the biggest problems with processed foods is the sheer amount of sugar they're hiding. We're not talking about the natural sugars you find in fruits and veggies. No, we're talking about added sugars, often disguised under a bunch of different names on the ingredients list. These sneaky sugars spike your insulin levels, sending your body into fat storage mode instead of muscle building mode. Not what we want. And if that wasn't bad enough, processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats. These bad boys contribute to inflammation in the body, which is basically like setting fire to your recovery process. Inflammation makes it harder for your body to repair muscle tissue after those intense workouts. So what's the solution? Ditch the processed junk and fuel your body with the good stuff. We're talking about whole, nutrient-dense foods that are bursting with the building blocks your muscles crave. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish are your best mates in the muscle-building game. They provide the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. Don't forget about complex carbohydrates like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. They're the energy powerhouses that fuel your workouts and keep you going strong. And of course, we can't forget about our colorful friends, fruits and vegetables. By making the switch from processed foods to whole, nutrient-rich alternatives, you're giving your body the tools it needs to build muscle, recover effectively, and perform at its peak. Now let's talk about a food that often gets a healthy stamp of approval but can actually be a secret saboteur for your muscle gains: low-fat yogurt. The main culprit here is, you guessed it, sugar. To make up for the lack of flavor when fat is removed, manufacturers often load up low-fat yogurts with added sugars. And as we learned earlier, excess sugar is like kryptonite to your muscle-building goals. Healthy fats play a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is essential for muscle growth. When you opt for low-fat yogurt, you're essentially shortchanging your body of these vital fats. Healthy fats also help reduce inflammation and promote nutrient absorption, both of which are crucial for muscle recovery and growth. So, by avoiding healthy fats, you're actually hindering your body's ability to bounce back stronger after those grueling workouts. So, what's the alternative? Instead of falling for the low-fat trap, choose full-fat or Greek yogurt instead. Full-fat yogurt provides those essential healthy fats your body needs without skimping on flavor. Greek yogurt, in particular, is a muscle-building superstar. It's higher in protein than regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth. By making the simple switch from low-fat to full-fat or Greek yogurt, you're not only supporting your muscle-building efforts, but also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You're rushing out the door, starving, and you spot a granola bar staring back at you from the pantry. Perfect, you think, a healthy and convenient snack to tide me over. But hold on a second, my friend. Not all granola bars are created equal. In fact, many of them are loaded with hidden sugars that can sabotage your muscle gains faster than you can say protein bar. They're marketed as healthy snacks, often with images of fit people and buzzwords like whole grains and natural. But don't let the marketing fool you. Many granola bars are nothing more than glorified candy bars in disguise. The problem is the sugar content. To make these bars tastier and more appealing, manufacturers often add heaps of sugar, often in the form of high fructose corn syrup. And remember what we said about insulin spikes? They're the enemy of muscle growth. So what's a health-conscious, muscle-building enthusiast to do? Simple. Ditch the processed granola bars and opt for whole food snacks instead. Nuts and seeds are a fantastic choice. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing your body with the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild. Fresh fruits are another great option. They're naturally sweet, so you don't have to worry about added sugars, and they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Remember, when it comes to snacking, keep it real, keep it natural, and keep those muscle gains coming. All right, let's talk about fruit juice. It sounds healthy, right? I mean, it's got fruit in the name, but don't let that fool you. Fruit juice can be a sneaky saboteur when it comes to your muscle gains. While it might seem like a refreshing and nutritious beverage, it's often loaded with hidden sugars that can do more harm than good. Here's the thing. Fruit juice is basically just concentrated fruit sugar. When you eat a whole fruit, you're getting the natural sugars along with fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. But when you drink fruit juice, you're essentially getting a sugar rush without the fiber to balance it out. And remember what we said about sugar? It's like kryptonite to your muscle-building goals. When you consume too much sugar, your body releases insulin, which can promote fat storage and hinder muscle growth. Plus, those sugar highs from fruit juice are often followed by energy crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish and less motivated to hit the gym. So what's the solution? Ditch the fruit juice and opt for whole fruits instead. Whole fruits are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They'll give you sustained energy, support your overall health, and help you recover faster from your workouts. So, next time you're reaching for a drink, choose water, unsweetened tea, or even a protein shake instead of fruit juice. Your muscles will thank you for it. Let's talk about diet soda. It might seem like a harmless alternative to sugary drinks, especially when you're trying to watch your calorie intake and build muscle. But the truth is, diet soda can be just as detrimental to your gains as its sugary counterpart. While it might not have the calories, it comes with a whole host of other issues that can wreak havoc on your body and your fitness goals. One of the biggest concerns with diet soda is the artificial sweeteners it contains. These chemical concoctions might trick your taste buds into thinking you're consuming sugar, but they can wreak havoc on your gut health and metabolism. Research suggests that artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even increased cravings for sugary foods. And remember, a healthy gut is crucial for nutrient absorption, which is essential for muscle growth and recovery. But it's not just your gut that suffers. Artificial sweeteners have also been linked to metabolic dysfunction, which can make it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar levels, burn fat, and build muscle. Think of it this way. Drinking diet soda is like pouring sand into the engine of your muscle-building machine. It might seem harmless at first, but over time it can cause serious damage and prevent your body from functioning at its best. So, what's the solution? Ditch the diet soda and opt for healthier, more natural beverages. Water should be your go-to choice. It's essential for hydration, which is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Unsweetened tea is another great option. Remember, when it comes to building muscle and achieving your fitness goals, there's no substitute for a healthy, balanced diet and lifestyle. There you have it, mates. We've just exposed 5 hidden food culprits that could be sabotaging your hard-earned muscle gains. Remember, what you put into your body is just as important as the work you put in at the gym. Making informed food choices is your secret weapon in the battle for a stronger, healthier you. By being mindful of what you're fueling your body with, you can avoid these dietary pitfalls and instead supercharge your workouts with the right nutrients. Remember, prioritize whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and stay hydrated. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Bodyfinity for more game-changing fitness and nutrition tips. Don't forget to share this video with your workout buddies and help them level up their gains too. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing those limits.